I done made 80 grand, a nigga didn't even show up. Niggas used to talk about the way that I dress, now I see him on the videos, pants, legs rolled up. Wasn't even think about getting a Rolex, now we got a Rolex and the whole thing froze up. Now you taking pictures of the shit, walk around getting bitches off the shit. They just talking about I'm living all the shit. Kenny Powers really feel like I'm the shit. MC Hammer Pants, I feel like I'm legit. 9/11, not the day, but that's a whip. Taylor Gang, they be on that shit. Always on the ground, trying to keep my mind on the finer things I gotta get. That'll make a nigga rich. Lot of new kicks, lot of new fits, lot of swag that you see on me. That'll take a nigga bitch. They get dressed, I can get up and go. Grabbing all my shit up and roll. Walked in and lit up the stove. Took a dab and roll another joint, now I'm lit up for show. And my bitches like a pin up. If I like it, then I buy it. Most of the time the shit is free and they just send it. Major paper and I'm winning and my outfit sick. I'ma walk up in this bitch and I'ma make a nigga spit up. Can't get this from the stove. This a one-on-one, that mean that they don't make it no more. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. Never seen it before. Try spending what I spend and then you probably go broke. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. Look what I got on. Have you ever seen a nigga dress good as me? Have you ever seen a nigga go shopping for the first, turn around and be right where the leathers be? Have you ever seen a nigga with some shit, wonder where he get it when he tryna find it, they ain't in the store? Have you ever seen a nigga looking crazy than the motherfucker in it, but the price you ain't even know? Never seen nobody walking to the store without no money when they coming out their hands are full of hella bags. Never seen nobody coming to the store and get the treatment that I get. I guess I mean I spend a hella bands. Have you ever got your suit tailored by the man? Have you ever got your suit flown in by the man? You don't get the kind of money you don't understand. You ain't never touch 100 grand. You just say you do, like a lame do. My Taylor Gang niggas a fatal crew. We taking your paper and rocking the latest. You try to hate, but my click hater proof. My closet go on for a day or two. Ain't one of them niggas who switch your shit up. No, I'm staying true like a player do. So show me my taboo to pay it to. And fuck you and them niggas you came with too. Can't get this from the stove. This a one-on-one, that mean that they don't make it no more. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. Never seen it before. Try spending what I spend and then you probably go broke. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. I be like, look what I got on. Look at what I got on. What I got on. Old heads, look at what I got on. Young niggas, look at what I got on. Broke niggas, look at what I got on. Rich niggas, look at what I got on. And I'm floating. My windows open, my eyes all low, cause I'm off that boat and they jacking my style. I got that notion, can't even get it. You want that slow shit, pull up in it. They like, oh shit, hella expensive, smoking explosive. Where did he get them? Nobody knows it, don't even go there.